Let's look at final exam, question number 24 in Trigonometry Demystified, 2nd edition. Please refer to the bottom of page 370 in the printed edition. When we see a mapping that creates a perfect one-to-one correspondence between two sets of numbers, or actually two sets of anything, we call that mapping what? Let's suppose that we have two sets and we can map, that is, assign elements from one set to the other in an exact one-to-one correspondence. That is to say, for every, in this particular case, we call the sets P and Q. For every element in set P, the mapping assigns exactly one element in set Q. And for every element in set Q, the mapping assigns exactly one element in point P. This is a little bit of an exercise in theoretical mathematics, something that isn't really taught a whole lot anymore. It seems like we're so obsessed with practicality that we forget that the theory that underlies all of our mathematics is the foundation on which all practical things are built. A little bit of philosophical ranting for you here, but getting back to the question, this type of a mapping, well, once again, my venerable markers are giving me grief. This type of a mapping, a one-to-one correspondence, is called a bijection. That is simply the technical term that we use for it, a bijection, also known as a one-to-one correspondence, and that answer is found as choice D.